I want to sing a song. I don't even know what song I want to sing, but I want to sing it. I am feeling like legit gorgeous, sort of end of summer going into fall vibes with this wig. Ugh. Welcome back to my channel. I have a wig review for you. You know, and this little cutie is from Collection, and this is Kate, and I have her in the color golden bronze, and I am loving her. So you can check the review out for her. Today I have another Collection wig, and this is Noelle. She is from their Superflow line. This is a deep part lace wig, and she is heat safe up to 360 degrees. The color here is this blue black color, and she's got this invisible sort of curved hand tied parting. But I have her in the color Daisy. This is a color I've been wanting to get, and I scooped her up from Wigtypes for $21.94. But I've been wanting to get this color Daisy, and I just feel like it's a stunning color, and I'll show it to you. But I feel like on some wigs it doesn't look quite right. So when I saw a review on a longer wig with this Daisy coloring, I thought, okay, on the longer ones it looks really awesome. This is Miss Noelle. All right, let's look at her. Like, she's pretty long, but look at this. See this? She definitely has sort of a number 4 root. The Daisy color is more of a 4 root. And in here, you've got this like 27-30 mix. And then it's the dark tips. She's pretty long. I'm going to guess and say 20 to 22 inches. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And here's the parting space on her. Pretty good. Could be opened up maybe a little bit towards the back, but we'll see. She has one comb near the curve, which means she probably is supposed to be sitting off to one side, and then one comb over here. You know, Collection wigs is I swear, it's the only wig company where sometimes the straps are undone. Like, I don't get wigs. I don't recall ever having to strap the straps in, but they're like loose. She doesn't have a comb in the back, but she's got 2 straps, the adjustable straps in the back. I want to show what it's going to look like out of the pack with these curls, so I'm not going to brush her just yet. She was a lace front, and I did cut that off. But let me get my wig cap, and let's get that on, and then we'll see what we're working with. Oh my gosh. Listen, I just lost it. I'm already in love. I'm telling you what, this Collection, this is this natural yaki texture. I want to sing a song. I don't even know what song I want to sing, but I want to sing it. I am feeling like legit gorgeous, sort of end of summer going into fall vibes with this wig. Oh, I love the color. Oh, I can't even get a hold of myself. Okay, she does have, she's a thick wig. This is everything, but not too thick. This is everything to the front. I gotta get my step stool. So I'm trying to use a step stool so you guys can see the full length. So this is her. I am 5'6.5", and I have ample breast areas. And she's coming well below my breast, almost to my belly button. So this is a good 22 to 24 inches. Oh my gosh. Wig cap is comfortable. Lace was that harder lace. I know some people actually like hard lace. Some people don't. Oh my goodness. She's definitely is just a right-sided part. I feel like you could wear her in the middle for sure. You would just have to definitely clip back the lace here on the sides because it's going to like scratch you. But let's go ahead and just wear her on the right. Parting space isn't too bad. I feel like it's nice here. It could be opened up in the back, but we're not going to get too crazy with it today. Let me get this chick together and then we'll see what we are working with. I'm already in love. I'm already in love. She reminds me of a longer, fuller version of FELCIA, who I'm obsessed with from Janet Collection. This is a number 4 root, and you know how I feel about a number 4 root. It's definitely a little bit darker than a number 4 at the bottom. Oh, I can't. She looks crazy. Look, I look like I just got up because it just came. This is walk of shame right now, and I don't even care. I'll be like, yep, walk of shame. Looks cute still. Anyway, I've lost my mind. So I'll be back with you, and we'll see what I had to do to get her together. With this wig, I'm so obsessed already. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear this. When you put a wig on and you feel like you just can't even wait to wear it, like it just makes you feel so good. I put some powder in the part, as you saw. It does get thinner towards the back, but I'm not mad at that. I kind of think it looks a little bit more natural that way. The color is just stunning. The texture, I can't stop touching it because it feels so good. Let me show you. Let me stand on my little step stool. This is all the hair to the front, and you can see it does get much darker at the bottom. I think this would be an awesome wig, like as this gets sort of ratty, you could cut this up, and then you would have just like a wig that had just a little bit on the tip and then less and less, and then it could look like that. I think it's fabulous. I mean, this is all the hair to the front. Like, it's a nice amount of hair, but I don't feel like it's too much. It does have sort of that yucky, maybe like naturally relaxed feel to it. Let's look at it from the back. You know, see that rooting? Look at that rooting is like all the way through. You know when you have a nice wig when the rooting is like all the way through. Let's look at the movement. Gorgeous movement, and then that's the back. I have to tell you, 20-something bucks. I'd pay 30-something bucks for this. This is a gorgeous wig. I 100% suggest this wig. Yeah, for reals. I love the coloring. I want to get other wigs with this daisy coloring. I do feel like it is nicer on a straighter wig that maybe is a little bit longer. Maybe not super long, but at least like 18 inches. I just think it gives it enough space to sort of do that progression. It has a number 4 root. Do you have this wig, Noelle? Do you have it in another color? Do you like her? Is there any other wig from Janet Collection, or just any wig in general, but that you would suggest that I try? Is there any wig with this daisy coloring? That's it. Any wig with this daisy coloring that you would suggest, please put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.